You've been there. You learn a new word, you write it down, but the next day it's just not there. You can almost say it, but it's on the tip of your tongue. This is the biggest struggle for English learners, forgetting words. We've all had words just slip our minds. But what if the problem isn't your memory? What if it's your method? Your brain is like a computer. When you just read a word from a list, it's like saving a file to your desktop for a second and then immediately deleting it. It never makes it to your hard drive. The brain doesn't store information it thinks is unimportant. It needs a reason to keep a word. A simple, one-time read isn't a good enough reason. That's why words don't stick. But with the right techniques, you can make them permanent. Imagine you're at a restaurant and the food tastes great. You want to say it's more than just good. You want to say it's delicious. But the word is just not coming to you. You've heard it. You've maybe even written it down. But in a real-life moment, it's gone. Your brain has the file, but it can't find the path to it. This is a real-life situation where forgetting a word can be frustrating. We're going to use the word delicious as our example to fix this. Here are 5 simple, powerful ways to make words a permanent part of your vocabulary. Let's use the word delicious as our example. First, use it in a sentence. Don't just say delicious. Say it in different ways. This tells your brain the word is flexible and useful. Every new sentence you create for a word builds a stronger mental path to it. The more you use a word in different contexts, the more connected it becomes in your memory, making it much easier to find when you need it. This pizza is delicious. My mum makes delicious cookies. The soup was so delicious. Pause the video and try making your own sentence with delicious. Next, use spaced repetition. Don't review the word every day. Review it after 1 day, then after 3 days, then a week. Each review makes the word a little stronger in your memory. This method is scientifically proven. It works because it challenges your brain to recall information right before it's about to forget it, which actively strengthens the memory and pushes it into your long-term storage. Imagine it. Connect it to an image or a strong feeling. When you think of delicious, don't just see the word, see a picture of a favorite food, remember the taste of it or the happy feeling you had when you ate it. Engaging your senses makes the memory more vivid and powerful. Connection makes the word personal and unforgettable. Don't just think it. Say it out loud. Speak the word out loud.
Delicious, delicious.
This activates a different part of your brain. You're not just reading it, you're hearing it and feeling the word on your tongue. You're creating a physical memory of the word, not just a visual one. Speaking activates your brain differently and doubles your chances of remembering. Finally, don't just learn new words, mix them with your old words. Keeps your entire vocabulary active and prevents you from forgetting words you already know. If you only practice with new words, your old words will start to fade. Regularly mixing new words with the ones you already know ensures all your words stay fresh and accessible in your mind. Now that you know what to do, let's quickly look at what not to do. These are the 3 biggest mistakes that cause learners to forget words. 1. Just reading a list. If you only read a long list of words, your brain gets overwhelmed. It sees hundreds of words, decides they aren't important, and deletes them all. 2. Learning too many words at once. Trying to memorize 50 words a day is impossible for most people. Your brain can only handle so much new information at a time. It's better to learn 5 words well than 50 words poorly. 3. Just reading words without real use. This is the main problem we talked about. Without real use, a word is just a piece of data. It has no meaning, no purpose, and no reason to stay in your long-term memory. A simple trick: after learning a word, try to use it at least once today. Write a sentence, say it out loud, or share it with a friend. Even if you forget words today, with practice, your brain will gradually make them permanent. Learning is a journey, not a race. So, remember, the problem is not your memory, it's your method. By connecting words to your life, using them in sentences and speaking them out loud, you will never feel like a word is on the tip of your tongue. And now, your turn. Take any new word you learned today and use it in one sentence. Put that word to work. You'll be surprised how much you remember.